Okay, this one starts out again with an all. All mice are timid. So again, I need one circle where all the mice are, so M for mice, and all of them have to be inside of another circle, which I'll label T for timid. So everything that is timid is inside the blue circle, and they're saying that all mice are timid. Yeah, right. I've met a few mice that aren't so nice. Okay, let's go with orange this time. So we've got Squeaky. Squeaky is not timid. Okay, so Squeaky is not timid. He cannot be inside the blue circle, and I'll use a dot and an S for Squeaky. So he's got to be out here somewhere. So here is our Euler diagram. So I'm going to read their conclusion, which says Squeaky is not a mouse. Based on this drawing, since Squeaky is out here and he's not inside the mouse circle, that makes this valid. And then number 8. Okay, all right, now we're moving on to a sum. All right, let's go with purple and pink. Okay. Some students are, whoops, there you go, are left-handed. Okay, so this is a sum situation. This will be S for students, and since some of the students are left-handed, and this will be LH, my left-handed people, they're going to overlap. So some students are left-handed. Then it goes on to say that Carla is not, sorry, I thought I switched colors. Come on. Blue. Carla is not left-handed. So I'll use a dot for Carla. Where's she going to go? She's not left-handed, so she can't be inside the pink circle. So Carla has to be outside the pink circle. But she could be inside the purple one. I don't know that for sure. So when they make the conclusion that Carla is not a student, if Carla is over here, she's not a student. However, oops. Come on. I'm having all sorts of problems with this. However, there we go. If Carla is here, that is enough to make it invalid. Because she could. There's 2 places she could go in this diagram. She just has to be for sure outside the purple circle or the pink circle. That's all I know really for sure. Is she's not inside the pink circle. But I can't say for sure that she's outside of the purple one. She could be inside of it. I don't know for sure, so I can't say that that's right. Okay, so that was those 2. And I got 3 more. What's the next one look like? I'll do this one on another video because that's going to be 3 premises.